Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I will be showing you how to plot the graph of a function in Python. Why would you want to know how to plot a function in Python? Well, this is a great way to see what a function looks like and thus determine its properties. I will be using Jupyter Notebook to show you how to plot certain functions. Make sure to check the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. First, we need to make some imports. The two main imports are NumPy and matplotlib. If you didn't know, matplotlib is a library for data visualization, usually in the form of plots, graphs, and charts. Now, make sure that you have already installed NumPy and matplotlib. If not, do this by simply typing the commands pip install NumPy and the same for matplotlib in your terminal. Do not type it and run it here and expect it to install. This should be done in your command terminal. Right, so now let me import NumPy as np, and from matplotlib, we are going to import pyplot as plt. Pyplot is what will allow us to actually plot our graphs. Now let's just run that. Right. Now I'm going to let x equal to, np.linspace from -1 to 1 and 100. Now, what this does, this line just means that our domain, which is the x values, span from -1 to 1, where we have 100 equally spaced numbers in this closed interval. The higher the number we choose over here, the smoother our curve. We set y as whichever function that we're wishing to plot. In this case, I'll be plotting the exponential function. So I will be saying y is equal to np dot the exponential function of x. Now we simply plot the points by saying plt dot plot x, comma y. And this next line, plt dot show, shows the graph. And there you have it, guys. This is the exponential function plotted from -1 to 1. Now, we can also customize the plot to our liking by choosing from the variety of colors available in matplotlib. I will be changing my plot to red by adding the following line here. So if I add a comma and if I just say color equals red, and I run this, this will change my graph's color from blue to red. And we can also label our graph with the following lines. So if we type out plt.title, this allows us to give our graph a title. So let us say this is the graph of the exponential function. Next, we can do the same for the x and y labels. So plt.x label allows us to give our x-axis a label, and plt.y label allows us to give our y-axis a label. And if I run this, as you can see, my x-axis is labeled, my y-axis is labeled, and my graph now has a title. And there you have it. If you wanted to know how to plot the graph of a function in Python, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know of another way to do this, then leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos.